Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the ring floodlight camera stays on in 2026. Now on your ring floodlight camera, the lights are controlled by the motion detection. So if motion sensitivity is too high or zones are too wide, the lights will keep turning on. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to go to your ring application, and inside it you just have to go to the settings and look for the option of sensitivity. So the sensitivity option should be there with this type of slider. So you need to basically reduce the sensitivity and adjust the motion zones as well in order to focus only on the important areas. Now, if the timer is set too long, the light may appear like it never turns off. So you need to go to the light settings and reduce the duration to a shorter time as well. This ensures that the light turns off quickly after the motion stops. Now, things like tree, shadows, insects, or even passing cars can continuously trigger the motion. This keeps the light on again and again. So you can just simply reposition your camera slightly, and then you can adjust the detection zones in order to avoid these types of triggers. If the light was turned on manually in the application, it will stay on until you turn it off. So make sure that inside the application you disable the manual light mode. This returns control back to the motion based lighting. Now if you find that the setting look correct but the issue remains, you can just simply restart your camera or power cycle it. This refreshes the system and also fixes the temporary glitches. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.